should a business consider edge when they're executing a biz transformation?
Yeah, this is really an important aspect of where we're going. I mean, companies, businesses were originally used to operating out of their data center. They would have one or two data centers, and typically it would be hardwired to their desk, and that's how they would work. Then we all left our desk and we wanted to have mobility and to be able to access this information via tablets and smartphones and sit on the beach while we have our meeting with the board of directors, right? So
Yep.
so we all sort of moved to the cloud. We said, okay, cloud service providers had these data centers. They have multiple data centers. So let's take our applications and deploy them to the cloud so that we would have better access to our information. We would be able to access our applications and work better from wherever we are.
Right.
And that was great and good. But even with cloud data centers, you still had limitations with bandwidth and limitations with latency. So some applications really wouldn't work. And as we advanced to using uh, better forms of collaboration, like video and web conferencing and virtual reality and augmented reality, these bandwidth limitations started to affect the type of applications that we could put out in the field. And so, what Edge allows us to do is to take our applications, which are sitting in a cloud data center, and moving them to a location that's, instead of hundreds of miles away, maybe less than 10 miles away. So those servers and those applications are coming closer to wherever we are. That gives us the ability to reduce the distance. And with new telecommunications technologies like the fifth generation telecommunications, we're getting bandwidth to our mobile devices that can actually give us that augmented reality and that video conferencing right next to us. And they're using the servers that are, less than 10 miles away. So you get less latency, you get more agility, you can do more things with the application. So businesses need to think about their processes, their services, their products that need large amounts of bandwidth, or that need to take context from the location of where the actual customer is, and to use that context to customize the service or application. So that's where Edge is going to really differentiate services and products. It's being able to take that context of the end user and infusing that knowledge, that capability into the actual product or service in real time.